Hi everyone, you're welcome to Ankara Fabric Care 101. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to take care of your Ankara fabric. Here with me, I have a Valerie set. Since we started advertising the Valerie set
and the ballsy dress,
we've had the most asked question from our clients and prospective buyers saying, oh, can I get this set in another fabric, maybe in a crepe fabric? How can I care for my Ankara? I don't like Ankara really, so I really hope this one will last. So today I'm going to share some little tips that will help you take care of your Ankara to last longer. Ankara fabric, also known as African wax fabric, are 100% cotton cloth fabric, so they are made to last as long as you want them. One of the do's and don'ts of Ankara fabric is one, you do not wash your Ankara fabric with detergent. Wash your Ankara fabric with a mild bar soap, right? And you don't wash your fabric every time you wear it. You wash when necessary. Also, one of the things you could do is hair dry. When you come back from an event where you rock your Ankara fabric, you could just literally just hair dry it under the sun or in a very cool dry area. Secondly, you can introduce a little bit of baking soda or salt inside your washing liquid or your washing water. For salt, because of the chloride content in the salt, it helps retain the fabric properly. It just makes the fabric pop more, the colors pop more. So you just add a little bit of salt, like a teaspoon of salt, inside your washing water, and you wash your Ankara. The next thing you could do, if you have spillage on your Ankara, maybe from that oven where you're eating and that jollof rice poured on your Ankara, all you could do is just take that part where that has this stain, put a little bit of baking soda, take a very soft brush and just use a little bit of water to concentrate on that area and scrub gently, and just use a little bit of water to wash it off, or a damp cloth to take off the baking soda residue, and you hair dry. When you're ironing your Ankara fabric during laundry, you just literally iron inside out. You don't iron the front part of the Ankara so as not to tamper with the colors of the Ankara. Especially if you're not experienced with ironing fabric, you might turn your ironing heat into the highest temperature. Please don't wash your Ankara with washing machine. I know some of you aim to hand wash, but for Ankara, sorry, you have to hand wash. That's why we don't have the pen, right? So do not for no reason wash with washing machine. Even if you're taking it to an outdoor laundry, you tell them that please make sure you're hand washing with your mild bar soap. So this is the way to enjoy your Ankara fabric, guys. If after everything I said, and you still do not enjoy your Ankara fabric, come and have your money back. This is a money back guarantee tips I'm giving you. So you can feel free to buy your Valerie set without worrying if it will run. By the way, we made
this Ankara set with
high cotton Ankara, so you're very sure that it will never run. And I don't want to tell you that you can handle it anyhow and it still will run. That's how good our quality of Ankara is, but still we have to take precautions while we're handling our fabric. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I love you. Bye.